Well, you're stuck there.
Good night. You need a blanket?
Paddling. I ain't walking up there to get you.
Do you need a blanket? I'll go get hoo-hoo.
You got bug spray?
You're gonna need some bug spray too, homie.
Maybe one of the neighbors will find you.
Paddle in.
Come on.
No, for real, come on.
You can't. You paddled all the way over there.
See you later.
Dude, you have an oar.
Get out and push it. You better go help your kid.
You should have shoved him in here.
As soon as I walk over there, he's going to start paddling anyway.
Try. Try, Tom.
Oh, wow, you got a pile of weeds out here again.
What's that?
Pile of weeds out here again.
He's doing it again.
Keep trying. You're doing good.